Finding the best grill basket can make grilling small or delicate foods like vegetables and fish much easier. These essential tools prevent food from sticking or falling through the grates while still allowing for that perfect charred flavor. Whether you're using a pellet grill, portable grill, or cooking over an open flame while camping, a quality grill basket offers versatility and efficiency. In this roundup, we explore the top grill baskets available, highlighting their standout features and how they enhance your grilling experience. From robust designs to innovative functionalities, these selections will elevate your barbecuing game, making it more enjoyable and flavorful. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 6. OXO Obsidian Pre-Seasoned Carbon Steel Grill Basket. The OXO Obsidian Pre-Seasoned Carbon Steel Grill Basket is a standout option for those looking for a blend of lightweight design and heat retention. Made from carbon steel, this grill basket heats up faster than traditional cast iron while retaining that essential heat for cooking. The basket features circular perforations that allow for proper airflow, resulting in beautiful char marks on your vegetables and fish. Its lightweight nature makes it easy to maneuver on and off the grill, allowing you to cook large batches without hassle. Another highlight of the OXO grill basket is its pre-seasoned surface, which not only provides immediate usability, but also develops a natural non-stick quality over time with proper care. It is essential to remove the silicone grip when using the basket directly on the grill, as it can become damaged by high heat. Cleaning is straightforward. Simply hand wash it and occasionally re-season to maintain its non-stick properties. If you're seeking a reliable grill basket that combines performance and ease of use, the OXO Obsidian Carbon Steel Grill Basket is an excellent choice for any grilling enthusiast. Number 5. Outset Jumbo Nonstick 3-in-1 Grill Basket. The Outset Jumbo Nonstick 3-in-1 Grill Basket is a versatile grilling tool designed to enhance your outdoor cooking experience. Its unique two-piece design allows for 3 configurations. Use it as a shallow skillet, a deeper skillet, or lock the 2 pieces together to create an enclosed basket. This flexibility makes it suitable for various grilling scenarios, whether you're cooking vegetables, shellfish, or even larger cuts of meat. During use, the non-stick material ensures that food releases easily, while the ample size provides enough space for cooking multiple items at once. Its long handle is advantageous for grilling over an open flame, though it's best removed when using on a grill to avoid overheating. The Outset basket is not only efficient but also easy to clean, often requiring just a quick rinse to restore its pristine condition. Whether you're roasting veggies or grilling fish, this jumbo basket simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on enjoying your time outdoors. With its excellent performance and durability, the Outset Jumbo Nonstick 3-in-1 Grill Basket is an invaluable addition to your grilling toolkit. Number 4. Braize Adjustable Grill Basket with Removable Handle. The Braize Veggie Grill Basket offers an innovative design with a removable handle, making grilling easier and more efficient. The sturdy, ergonomic handle is easy to attach and detach, allowing seamless placement and removal of your grilling accessories. No more struggling with awkward, fixed handles while cooking. Whether you're grilling a small batch of vegetables or a large fish, the basket features 4 adjustable size settings, providing exceptional versatility for various cooking needs. One of the standout features is the secure pinch latch, which keeps your food firmly in place, preventing anything from falling through the grill. You can easily open and close the basket without worrying about losing food, adding convenience to your grilling experience. The spacious design, measuring 16 by 7.25 by 2.25 inches, provides enough room to cook an entire meal in one go. Number 3. Weber Professional Grade Grill Pan. The Weber Professional Grade Grill Pan is an exceptional choice for grilling a variety of delicate foods, including fish and vegetables. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this grill basket features strategically placed small slots that allow for optimal heat and smoke circulation while keeping your food securely in place. The pan's design ensures that nothing falls through the grates, making it ideal for those smaller items that are often challenging to grill. When used, The Weber grill pan showcases impressive performance, delivering perfectly charred vegetables in as little as 5 minutes. Its low walls allow for easy flipping of larger items, like whole fish, while also making it compatible with other grill baskets for those who enjoy cooking with multiple tools. The slim, compact design is another advantage, as it can be easily stored alongside your kitchenware without taking up much space. Although the stainless steel may show some discoloration after repeated use, it doesn't impact its effectiveness. Number 2. Lodge Cast Iron Grill Basket with Dual Handles. The Lodge Cast Iron Grill Basket is a durable and budget-friendly option for grilling aficionados seeking high-quality performance. Constructed from heavy-duty cast iron, this grill basket is equipped with teardrop-shaped holes that ensure even heat distribution and impressive results. During use, the Lodge basket produces beautifully charred vegetables, making it a reliable choice for any outdoor cook. This circular grill basket provides a substantial cooking surface, allowing you to grill a good amount of food at once, even if the basket gets crowded. The dual handles make it easier to lift and maneuver, though caution is advised due to its heavier weight compared to other models. This cast iron basket retains heat effectively, meaning it remains hot for a while after cooking, so proper handling is crucial. Maintenance is straightforward. Like other cast iron cookware, it requires hand washing and occasional reseasoning to keep it in excellent condition. Its sturdy construction ensures longevity, making the Lodge Cast Iron Grill Basket a great investment for anyone serious about their grilling game. Number 1. Proud Grill Company UltraVersatile Stainless Steel Grill Basket. The Proud Grill Company UltraVersatile Stainless Steel Grill Basket is a top-tier choice for grill lovers who value flexibility and efficiency. This grill basket stands out with its removable dividers, allowing you to separate different foods during cooking. Ideal for grilling shrimp alongside vegetables or even a whole fish. The perforated design ensures that heat circulates evenly, resulting in beautifully charred food while retaining the desired crispness. One of the key advantages of this basket is its lightweight construction, making it easy to handle and transport. The snap-on handle is a thoughtful addition, as it can be removed to close the grill lid during cooking, preventing damage and allowing for even cooking. Although the basket is easy to clean, some discoloration may occur over time, which does not affect its performance. Whether you're grilling at home or enjoying a camping trip, this stainless steel grill basket simplifies the cooking process and guarantees delicious results. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.